If you want to know how can you turn off the Snapchat friend suggestions notifications, today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. So let's jump right into it. First we need to go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure you have the Snapchat app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. After that you can finally go ahead and open Snapchat. From Snapchat, tap on your Bitmoji in the top left corner to go to your profile. Once you are in your profile, you need to go to settings, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to go to settings. And then from here, you find this notification category right here. So go ahead and open it. And right there, you'll find every type of notification that you receive on Snapchat. To turn off the friend suggested notifications, go ahead and untick or disable this one right here next to friend suggestions. Just like that, you have done that successfully. You can even play around with notifications and disable the ones that you don't want from Snapchat. And that is basically it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.